All right, this morning we are getting rid of these bushes. Yay! It's gonna look so much better. We need to pull those so that we can get to that.
Clean up this area.
Yeah, we're gonna clean up this area.
Definitely not.
Yeah, we're trying to get to that spot right there so it doesn't push the facade off. So, yay. It's gonna look so much better. And I've been wanting to get in there and mow that, but not weed eat. So, where did Frank go? There he is. He's putting the chain around the bottom of the bush. This is the easiest way to get rid of any bushes that you want to pull. I really do enjoy pulling the bushes with the truck. I don't know, there's just something about it. Instant gratification, I guess. I really don't know. It's easier for Frank because he chains them up and I pull them with the truck and then I pull them away with the tractor and he's able to do some other things, and I just enjoy this. We discovered pulling bushes with the truck when we purchased a property. It was about 2.5 acres and it was full of all these locust trees, and not huge, but a little bit bigger than saplings, I guess, 1 to 2 inches. And we couldn't pull them with our bear puller, which is a tree or sapling puller. And there were just so many of them that we started pulling them with the chain, and it just made quick work of getting rid of those locust trees. And we even had bushes like this. We had bushes like this in front of our house that we've redone, and it's on a really busy street, so we couldn't really pull them with the truck because you kind of need some extra space just in case. And so we got creative with that, and we pulled out Frank's engine hoist and we pulled them with that. We cut the roots with the Sawzall, and then we would just jack them up, and anytime it wouldn't jack anymore, we would just saw some more, and then eventually we got them out and it looked much better. And we know from pulling the other side in the front of the house how much better this is going to look. And but we really needed to get these bushes out of there to look for fallen stone. Also, we needed to get up to the top and see what we were actually dealing with, and as you'll see later in the video what we discover up there. But you can see all the debris and trash that got trapped under these huge old bushes. And I know some people wanted us to trim them up and fix them that way, but we're a little bit beyond trimming up, and so we're gonna pull them out, and anything that we had there was going to get destroyed anyway because we've just got so much stone work to do and reconstruction in this area of the house that we know that a newer plant and something just with a little bit more color would do better. So anyway, enjoy, and I'll see you on the flip side.
more to go to get to the top. So we can work up there. No worries. The scaffolding mover at work.
Alright, we got up here a little ways up. Carrie's airing up tires so we can go pick up some stone. And this is what we're going to be working on. This is the crown molding. This is the facade with the brick behind it. I don't know if you can see the brick, but it's back there. I'll wait till the sun comes along. Got to take all this off and see what's behind here. We found out that this stone from here all the way across is a lintel, and it's just carved to make it look like it's separate stones, which we find pretty interesting. That's going to be a big one to mess with, so I hope we don't have to do that. But I've got to get under here, and there's all kinds of brick that's fallen down, laying inside there. So I've got to get that out. Got to get this crown molding stuff off and do some discovery. Find out where we're at. Well, we got part of it off. Trying to figure out how far to go. That's the box cutter. And if you can't figure out why the box cutter was leaking, might be because of some of the holes in it. But it's pretty much destroyed all this brick in here. And all kinds of brick and raccoon poop in there. So we've got some brick replacement to do, but these walls are very, very thick. So the structure's not in danger of falling down, but it's just going to take a lot of work to make the facade be right again. Carrie Lou on the walkout porch. Doesn't this look like fun? I love discovery. The thing about discovery is you always discover things. So that's nice.
We're here to get some Bradford stone, and let's go see. Alright, we made it safe and sound with all of the stone. Yeah, we know it's a redneck trailer, as some would say. It's good use for old pontoon sides. Hey, whatever works, right? But if nothing else, Frank and I said we might use all this stone if we don't use it all, which hopefully we won't. We can build a mailbox. That'd look cool. So anyway, there you go. And just like that, the daunting task of unloading the rock is all done, one rock at a time. Well, we weren't sure if that load of rock was going to match. Check that one up in the windowsill compared to the rest of them. I think they'll match pretty good.
Well, but if you look, these ones have a greener tint.
Not when we power wash them.
Power wash? I've never thought of that. I wish people would suggest that more often.
I don't know if I would power wash this stuff anyway. It might.
Not yet. I think you just put a lot of water into the house.
Yeah, yeah.
There's a few places where it's missing mortar.
Whoa, hole. I stepped in a hole. Or one of the bushes were. Yeah, we've got a little bit of stonework to do. Stonework, roof work.
All of it.
All of it. But I think that is going to do just fine.
Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. We really enjoy making these videos and appreciate you joining us on our journey. So feel free to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, feel free to share our videos, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can know when a new video comes out. Until next time.
What are you doing, Minnie? What are you doing?
She's going and taking a picture of what the cats are doing instead of taking you and showing you what the cats are doing.